Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy pasta salad. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite short pasta, like rotini or pen, cooked al dente and cooled. Also, prepare 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of crisp cucumber, and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. These fresh components form the delicious base of our salad. Now, let's create our vibrant dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Incorporate 1 clove of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and season with salt and pepper to your liking. Once the dressing is ready, gently combine your cooled pasta and chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl. With your dressing prepared, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the entire dressing mixture over the pasta and vegetables. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss all the ingredients until every piece is beautifully coated. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. Cover your salad tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to truly meld and deepen. Your easy pasta salad is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, you might want to garnish it with some fresh parsley or basil for a pop of color and aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese or some mini mozzarella balls. This delightful salad is perfect for any occasion, from a casual picnic to a quick, satisfying weeknight dinner.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.